Hey everyone, welcome back to the Handy Homeowner. Today I've got something really exciting to share with you. I recently bought this heavy duty weed burner from Amazon and I'm gonna test it out on my driveway. Let's see how it performs. Every few years, my driveway gets taken over by weeds and grass because it's covered in gravel. Usually I just order a load of granular A and cover it. But since I wanted to buy one of these burners to test it out, I figured what would be more perfect than to just burn my entire driveway clean. So this is a heavy-duty weed burner I got. It's designed to make quick work of stubborn weeds, and it's supposed to be super easy to use. They claim it's got an ergonomic handle, a turbo gas trigger, a control valve on top with an ignition switch, 10 feet of hose, which is really cool, and a stainless steel burner on the end. It goes with a barbecue tank. Now, I have seen tips of people using barbecue tank backpacks as well as putting them on dollies to help move them around. In my video, I don't actually use one of those, but I didn't have any issues, although I did have to move the tank a lot. So it could be worth investing in if you find that you do pick one of these up and you like using it. All right, let's unbox this thing and get it assembled. So this red button is our igniter, which lights it all up. On the top, there's the gas control where you can increase or decrease the amount of gas coming. And then of course you have the trigger. The assembly is very straightforward. You're just connecting it to the propane tank and you're ready to go. Now I'm gonna fire it up. I'll start by opening the propane tank. I can hear the propane is starting to flow. I'm gonna open the gas control on the top and then press the ignition switch. Hear the clicking and there we go. Now look at that, it's cutting through the weeds like a butter. Super satisfying to use. Make sure you move slowly to let the heat do the work. I did read online, some people were saying that you don't actually have to burn the entire plant in order to make it go away. You can just singe it, and apparently that works just as well. I went ahead and actually burnt all of the weeds and grass to a crisp. I spent all day using it to go over the entire driveway. I did make sure that I had proper safety measures because this thing does feel powerful and there's definitely a risk of starting a fire if you're not careful. This weed torch is game-changing for sure. Beyond being super satisfying, you don't have to use any crazy chemicals on your lawn or near your property. As well as being cost-effective, my entire driveway used one tank of propane, which cost me roughly $35 here in Canada at the time. We have very limited access to different sorts of weed killers here, so you would end up, just having to use Roundup over and over, and it's very costly to continue using. The area I did included a lot of overgrown grass, which is likely excessive for the torch itself, but it did really well, all things considered. It did regrow after about a month's time. I don't obviously recommend using this for the grass like I did, but I definitely think just for weeds, it would work absolutely great. I have heard that using heat on asphalt and stuff can maybe slightly diminish the lifespan of the asphalt. And after further reading on this topic, it's definitely something that you need to be aware of. Other listed uses for this torch include melting ice or snow, roof asphalt melting, or dehairing meat, as well as road paint removal. All in all, I think it does a great job at getting rid of weeds. I definitely recommend it if you have a vendetta against any sorts of stuff growing where it shouldn't be. Here's a before and after picture of the driveway. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you like how it turned out. I definitely think it was cost effective, like I said. Obviously, I'm still gonna have to put some granular down because the regrowth of the grass will just continue. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one.